wake me up to another good morning, time to go. Got that smile upon my face, 'cause there's excitement in the chase, this I know. Yeah, I'm going for the ride and find myself, I am alive, and I soar. Still I run toward the wind and let the challenge draw me in, 'cause I want more. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure.
All right, this is the avocado house that we got while we're here. It's green. Let's go. There we are. Nice little porch. It's Christmas time. Avocado. Let's go in. And there is our room. There's our stuff. Playing. Say hi, Playing.
Hi.
Some desk, fridge. And the land of opportunity out there. And the bathroom. It's got like this cool stained glass. And this painting. Huh. I could paint this, babe. Oh, that's a real painting. Let's go in the bathroom.
Hey, let's watch your thing.
Whoa. Looks like a dungeon in here. Gotta have a bucket for who knows what. Heater. I don't know what that piece of wood is for.
It's decoration.
Oh, yeah. And then ants. There's always ants. There's those plugs. There's always ants in the Philippines, so don't get discouraged. They love pandas here. So that is the room of opportunity.
What?
And that's it. Let's go. Where we stayed when we got married. Jeb, I think Jeb was in that room, right, Jeb?
Yeah.
Yep, he was. It was a big, happy family on the wedding night, huh? It was good times. Found a monkey. And he's in a cage, so don't cry, okay? Who cares? What's up, buddy? Finally going in the ocean, guys. I mean, I've already been in the ocean, but this is way better. Whoa! Alright, so I do the jellyfish inspection first before I swim. Just so when you're in the Philippines, make sure you check the oceans for jellyfish, because they sting. And shark. Look for shark too. This is the beach that I got married on 3 years ago. And I really don't remember much because it was so short. But I like this place. It's called FuntaSea Island. It's got cool little huts, places to stay. You know, there's air conditioning, warm water, and as you can see, no one's on the beach in the middle of December. So that's the way it is out here. Alright guys, I found a restaurant called Movies. Let's check it out. You know me and pastries, gotta have them. I guess they have pizza here too, so, but I'm not getting that. I'm just gonna check it out, just try some muffins or something. You know, who knows, maybe something else, maybe a mango shake, I don't know. But that's the place. I'm in Bayawan, guys. What is that? One day change. That's cool, okay. Food, drink, alright. There we go. Let's go inside. Alright, let's go sit down. Alright guys, we are at Movies in Bayawan, Philippines. We're going to try some cake out here. We're going to see if it's up to par to Weberzway liking here. Here we go. Wow! Yeah, we're really good.
It's really good.
Really good.
Want more?
I don't want to break the time. We're really gonna try. So good. Wow. This is Movies Bayawan. Come out here when you can because the cake is unbelievable. Alright, this is a banana chocolate chip muffin. Unheard of. Here we go. In the shop, babe. Here we go. Wow! This is really good. Everybody should be eating one of these every day. So good that unbelievable. Make sure you guys come to Moonbees here in Bayawan, right? Are we in Bayawan? This is a mango shake. Now I have all the mango shakes around the world. We're gonna try this one. You guys know the rules. Here we go.
Oh, he doesn't like it.
Wow, that will give you a brain freeze real quick. Excellent mango shake, very good. I have to give this a 9.8. 9.8. Everybody is frozen. Don't drink it so fast. Okay, it's gone. Excellent mango shake here. I'll see you guys at the next restaurant that I go to. Cheers. Macaroons. Here we are. We're still at Moonbees. We're gonna give it a try. I don't like coconut, but let's see if I do right now. Here we go. This is excellent. Excellent. Now we got a whole bag of these. Wow.
How much are whole chocolate in there? 75. Oh,
really good. Check it out. Make sure you get these coconut muffin buns. There you go. At Moonbees here in Bayawan. Alright guys, talk to you later again. Alright, thank you. It was wonderful. It was absolutely wonderful. I wonder what the number of this place is, because I don't know. We couldn't find it on the street. We were trying to figure out if it was like 285 or I don't know. But hopefully we'll figure it out next time, because luckily we saw all these lights and that's why we knew where this mall was. Couldn't figure it out. We were trying to find 375, could not find the mall, so I don't know. But these are the lights. There's probably I've counted about like 7.4 million lights lighting up this park, which drains pretty much the entire town's electricity pretty fast. But this is where everyone's power is going, and that's why there's a lot of brownouts here in the Philippines, is because this place is just sucking it all, especially this big ass cake. All right, we are home, back to the hotel, and that is the end of the day. What a long day. I'm burnt. I am pretty red right now, and we'll see how bad it really gets. But tomorrow we're going to, I don't know, we're going to a party. I know that at night. Her Pling's father's last day of work. And I think we're going somewhere else, but I'm not sure. Oh, we're going to Grandma's, I believe. So I'll show you that house. That house is pretty cool. So other than that, I guess until I will see you in the next vlog. All right? Peace out.